Hi guys, we're back with another video, and today we're gonna do, you know how Troy Dan says, like right here on his, but if, I'm gonna do the same thing that Troy Dan does, but on 2KMT Central. I'm gonna ask people on Roblox if they could pick an NBA player for me, because on NBA 2K20, I am broke, I don't have any MT, so we gotta ask them to name me an NBA player. So the first game I'm gonna do is I gotta do a basketball game. Basketball games. Gotta do basketball because the whole point of this thing is basketball. I got someone to name me a basketball player before. Okay, we're gonna play this one because R. We're gonna ask for 13 NBA players. Or remember, if the maximum video is supposed to be 15 minutes. So if this just stops, remember it's the maximum time. So, and I'm gonna do this server. I'm gonna ask people if they can name me an NBA player. And I think the first one is going to be Michael Jordan or Kobe Bryant. R.I.P. Jokes for life. Likes. Likes or like? Likes. 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 Leave a like if you want me to make that song. Just saying likes, better, like the video, better subscribe. Nobody knows. I have to create my own player. I'm just gonna start the video. I'm just gonna create my player. Then after I'm done, I'm gonna turn back on the recorder. See you guys then. Okay, now I just picked I customized my player. He's a small forward that can shoot. I think my option is going to the park. I might just cut until someone just needs me an NBA player. Are you sure? Yeah, yes, California. We're in a lockdown. Leave a like if you're in lockdown. I should be like Troy Dan and just say, why did you pick? No, just ask my NBA player. I might just stay in this game and just ask them NBA players I'm gonna do it. Because since this video is only allowed to be 15 minutes long, so I'm just gonna do it. Let's walk up to, let's see if this dude, let's see if this dude, but, I'm put right here, me, open, and put, hey, can you name me one NBA player? And of course, I have to find someone. Okay. I might just do 10 people. Okay, I guess I'm just gonna wait until someone. Okay, I'm just gonna cut the video back on until someone just names me NBA player, cause no one is. Okay, see you guys then. Okay, I finally got someone to name, but can you name me a NBA player? Can you name me an NBA player? Can you name me an NBA player? Just give me a minute to type. What team? Any. Any. Don't care. I don't care what it's from. I put, Stephen Curry. Okay, thank you. Thanks. Okay, now I'm leaving him. Okay, now me. I gotta turn off my webcam. I was like, what the heck? Now, from the Golden State Warriors, drafted 2009 by the Warriors, Stephen Curry. Okay, now let me. I might just do it until I fill up this whole starting lineup. It just depends if people can name me another NBA player. Let's see. Let's go back to the intro, see if people can name me an NBA player. I'm right here. Look. Look. Hey. Hey. Me, a NBA player. You know what people say, but taken, taked, already, but pick another one. Pick another one. But thanks. The GOAT. GOATE. Yeah. From the Los Angeles. Now from the Cleveland Cavaliers. No, he used to play in the Cleveland Cavaliers. It's LeBron James. I might just have to fill up this whole lineup. I'll just try to do the best as I can to fill up this whole lineup. And I have to go find someone else. But no, I'm gonna see if I can get this purple dude. Hey. But Okay, cut until I get an NBA player. What the? I just saw. Oh my god, I hate people in Roblox. I just asked someone if they can name me an NBA player. They said we're waiting for him. You know where I'm gonna be? Right here. Okay. I'm gonna type hey. And also stop B. Hey. Hey. Put name me and NBA player. Name me an NBA player. Oh, I totally forgot I had recording on. Oh my god, please, someone. I can't see. Oh, Jimmy Butler. Oh, we got Jimmy Butler. Okay. See you guys when I go back to 2K Central. I'm just going to fill up this whole lineup because I have 4 more minutes to record. So I'm just going to fill up these 2 pots because a lot of people are just like not ignoring me and I won't get an NBA player. Like I feel what Troy Dan's feeling right now. I'm right here. I'm gonna ask him. Oh, but name me a NBA player. I'm begging you, please. Okay. Finally. Instant replay. Hold on. Finally. But he got picked. He got picked. Another one. Sorry for my spelling. Got picked. And put another one, please. I'm begging you. Please. Okay. Let me say something. Okay. Hold on, pause. You guys might be shocked, but this dude picked Devin Booker. That dude picked Devin Booker. I paused it because I might have to skip one. I'm probably pausing to want to play. Okay, he just told me. I just asked him and he said Kyrie Irving. And guess what? No power forwards. Kyrie Irving's so small that no, Kyrie Irving's good. But I don't. Okay, bye guys. That's my lineup.